Cleo is a budgeting and money tracking app that connects to your bank account and uses automated insights to show where your money is going. It is designed more like a financial assistant than a traditional budgeting spreadsheet. By the end, you'll know how Cleo tracks your spending, what features actually matter in daily use, and whether it is worth using compared to other budgeting apps. Cleo is built around automated money tracking. Once you connect your bank account, the app reads your transactions and categorizes your spending. That means you don't manually enter expenses like you would in older budgeting tools. Now I'll explain what that does for users. Instead of building a budget from scratch every month, Cleo shows spending patterns based on your actual bank activity. This helps you see where money is going without constant manual updates. Now talk about the assistant feature. Cleo uses a chat-style interface where you can ask questions about your spending. It responds with breakdowns of your financial activity based on the data from your connected accounts. Now talk about budgeting behavior. The app encourages saving habits by showing spending trends and highlighting areas where you are spending more frequently. The goal is to make your financial behavior more visible in real time. Now talk about savings tools. Some versions of Cleo include savings features that let you set aside money automatically based on rules or goals you define inside the app. Now talk about limitations. Cleo is not a full financial planning system. It does not replace investment tools or detailed long-term budgeting software used for complex financial planning. Now talk about accuracy and trust. All insights depend on how accurately your transactions are categorized from your bank data. If categories are wrong or incomplete, your spending breakdown may not fully reflect reality. So the decision depends on how you manage money. If you want a simple, automated view of your spending without manual tracking, Cleo can help. If you need detailed budgeting control or advanced financial planning, it may feel too limited. Here's the simple breakdown. Cleo works best as an automated spending tracker with conversational insights. It is built for simplicity, not deep financial management. Do this next. Connect one bank account first and review how Cleo categorizes your spending before relying on it for budgeting decisions. Then compare it with any budgeting app you already use. If you want quick, automated visibility into your spending habits, Cleo is useful. If you need detailed financial planning tools, it is not a full replacement.